In today's digital age, understanding what your audience says about your brand online has become indispensable. Social listening tools provide businesses with the power to monitor conversations, gauge public sentiment, and refine strategies based on actionable insights. From tracking brand mentions to identifying trends, these tools enable organizations to stay competitive and responsive in a rapidly changing market. As we head into 2025, the landscape of social listening tools has evolved, offering more robust features powered by AI, real time analytics, and seamless integrations. This guide explores six leading platforms, which is Brandwatch, Meltwater, Sprout Social, Sprinklr, Hootsuite, and Brand24, and evaluates their standout features and how they cater to various business needs. Whether you're managing a small business or a global enterprise, these tools can elevate your brand monitoring efforts. So, first, let's talk about Brandwatch. Brandwatch is a comprehensive platform that provides AI driven insights from millions of online sources, including social media, forums, and blogs. It is widely recognized for its ability to distill large amounts of data into actionable intelligence. For its key features, first is the sentiment analysis. So it monitors online conversations to detect positive, negative, or neutral sentiments about your brand. This helps businesses react proactively to feedback, manage crisis effectively, and adjust messaging strategies based on public opinion. Another key feature is its trend detection. So it identifies emerging trends within your industry or niche using advanced AI algorithms. This empowers businesses to stay ahead of competitors by capitalizing on new opportunities and addressing potential issues early. Next, let's talk about Meltwater. So, Meltwater is a leader in media monitoring and social listening, designed for brands that need detailed reporting and competitive analysis. It provides a unified view of media coverage across traditional and digital channels. For its key features, first is the global media coverage. So it accesses data from over 200,000 online sources, including news outlets, social media, and blogs. This offers a holistic view of brand perception and ensures no critical mention is missed, regardless of where it appears. Another key feature is the customizable dashboards. So it allows users to create tailored reports and metrics based on specific goals. This enhances decision making by providing focused, relevant insights that align with your business objectives. So, next, let's talk about Sprout Social. So, Sprout Social excels in social media management and listening, combining intuitive design with in depth analytics. It's particularly popular among teams that value collaboration and straightforward workflows. For its key features, first is the engagement tracking. So it measures how audiences interact with your content across various platforms. This helps optimize content strategies to boost audience engagement and foster brand loyalty. Another key feature is the competitor analysis. So it benchmarks your performance against industry rivals. This identifies strengths and weaknesses in your approach, enabling targeted improvements. So now let's move on to Sprinklr. So Sprinklr is an enterprise-grade solution that integrates social listening with customer experience management. It's known for its scalability and comprehensive features. So it's for its key features. First is the omni-channel monitoring. So it covers social media, email, forums, and more, ensuring no customer interaction is overlooked. This provides a 360-degree view of customer behavior, aiding in consistent brand messaging. Another key feature is the AI powered insights. So it delivers predictive analytics and actionable recommendations. This helps businesses make data driven decisions to enhance customer satisfaction. Next is Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a versatile tool designed for social media management and listening. It's widely adopted for its user friendly interface and comprehensive scheduling capabilities. For its key features, first is the content monitoring. So it tracks mentions, keywords, and hashtags across all major social media platforms. This ensures brands stays informed about relevant conversations and can engage at the right moments. Another key feature is the post scheduling with insights. So it combines scheduling with real-time performance metrics. This streamlines workflows and optimizes posting strategies based on audience preference. And the last platform is Brand24. So Brand24 is an accessible social listening platform tailored to small and medium-sized businesses. It offers straightforward tools for tracking, mentions, and gathering insights. For its key features, first is the keyword tracking. So it monitors specific phrases and topics relevant to your brand. This allows businesses to stay informed on relevant conversations without needing extensive resources. And another key feature is the simple reporting. So it generates easy to digest reports for teams. This saves time and ensures clear communication of insights across departments. So basically, selecting the right social listening tool depends on your specific needs and goals. Brandwatch is ideal for data heavy insights. Meltwater excels in media monitoring. Sprout Social focuses on engagement. Sprinklr integrates with customer experience. Hootsuite simplifies social media management, and Brand24 offers accessibility for smaller businesses. So, by leveraging these tools, organizations can enhance their online presence, improve customer relationships, and drive informed strategies in 2025 and beyond. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.